Have you ever wondered whether artificial intelligence really makes hiring more fair? Or is that just wishful thinking? Imagine applying for your dream job, feeling confident about your experience, education, and skills, only to discover that your application never reaches a human being. An AI system filters you out before anyone has a chance to understand who you are. The system is supposed to be objective, neutral, and data-driven. But recent research suggests that large language models can form harmful hiring stereotypes faster than humans, and in some situations, their bias can be significantly worse. This doesn't mean every AI hiring system is automatically discriminatory, but it does mean you cannot assume that a tool is fair simply because it is powered by advanced technology. And if you're a business leader, recruiter, or job seeker, you need to understand why this happens. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever felt rejected by a machine before a real person saw your application? Researchers at Princeton and the University of Chicago wanted to investigate this problem more closely. They designed a rigorous experiment adapted from human psychology studies. Instead of asking an AI model whether it believed in fairness, they placed the models inside a simulated hiring environment. The AI systems were asked to help fill 20 different professional roles for a fictional city. Those roles included doctors, lawyers, childcare aides, janitors, and other jobs with different levels of education, status, and responsibility. For every position, the AI received a list of candidates from 4 fictional ethnic groups: Tufa, Ima, Reku, and Weki. Here's the critical detail. Every group had the exact same underlying probability of success for every position. No group was naturally better or worse at being a doctor, lawyer, childcare aide, or janitor. The correct strategy was to evaluate candidates individually and continue exploring options across every group. But what happened next was stunning. The language models began to stereotype, aggressively slotting certain groups into specific jobs based on barely any evidence. Imagine that one IMA candidate failed in a medical position. Instead of treating that result as information about one individual, the AI began treating it as information about the entire group. The next time an IMA candidate appeared for a medical role, the model became less likely to select that person. Then another IMA candidate was directed toward a different profession. Over time, the system began funneling members of the same group into specific categories of work. Some groups were associated with higher status jobs. Other groups were pushed toward jobs the model considered less prestigious, regardless of the individual candidate's qualifications. This wasn't a shallow, one-off quiz. The researchers observed a systematic pattern. The AI was not simply making random mistakes. It was creating categories, reinforcing them, and using them to make future decisions. Just how bad was it? The researchers measured this behavior using a segregation scale. On that scale, a score of 0 represents no group-based separation, while a score of 2 represents almost total discrimination. Human participants scored an average of 0.84. The AI models scored approximately 65% higher. OpenAI's advanced reasoning model, O3, scored 1.83, almost total entrenchment of group stereotypes. That result is deeply concerning because it challenges a common assumption about AI. Many people believe that more advanced reasoning will automatically lead to better and fairer decisions. But the study suggests that the smarter these models become at identifying patterns, the more confidently they may apply patterns that should never have been generalized. AI is not magic. It's engineering, product discipline, and relentless execution, and the objective being engineered matters. One reason this bias appears is connected to a classic decision-making problem called the exploration-versus-exploitation dilemma. Think about choosing a restaurant. You can explore and try somewhere new, or you can exploit what you already know by returning to your usual favorite. In many situations, exploiting a known option saves time. But if you only visit the same restaurant forever, you never discover anything better. Hiring systems face a similar decision. Should the system continue exploring candidates from every group, or should it repeatedly select the group associated with the strongest early results? Large language models are designed to generalize from limited information. That can be extremely useful when you're summarizing a document, predicting text, or solving a technical problem. But social decisions are different. If the model sees 2 disappointing outcomes from one group, it may treat those outcomes as evidence of a group-wide pattern. The result is a recipe for bias. The model is rewarded for short-term success, so it exploits the shortcut instead of continuing to explore. And because the shortcut appears to improve its results, the system may become more confident in it over time. The problem becomes even trickier as chatbot memory and personalization improve. Modern AI systems are increasingly designed to remember preferences, previous interactions, and user information. That can make AI more useful, but memory can also preserve bad assumptions. If a system records that someone from a particular background did not perform well in one situation, that information could influence future decisions, even when the original conclusion was based on almost no evidence. This creates a feedback loop. The AI makes a biased decision. That decision creates new data. The new data then appears to confirm the original bias. Eventually, the system may look more confident simply because it has repeated the same mistake many times. So, could we fix the problem by simply telling the AI to be fair? The researchers tested that idea. The models received instructions encouraging fair treatment, but the results barely changed. The reason is important. The models were still rewarded primarily for selecting candidates who appeared most likely to succeed. The instruction said fairness mattered, but the objective still prioritized performance. That tells us something every business leader needs to understand. A value mentioned in a prompt is not necessarily a value built into the system. The way we design AI objectives is more powerful than simply telling the system what to care about. When the researchers gave the AI a measurable bonus for making diverse selections, the bias dropped dramatically. When the researchers gave the AI a measurable bonus for making diverse selections, the bias dropped dramatically. The researchers also found that richer, more relevant candidate information reduced stereotyping. When the AI received meaningful details such as education and age, it was less likely to rely on ethnicity as a shortcut. But when the model received shallow or irrelevant information, it reverted to group-based assumptions. Rich, meaningful data can lead to better and fairer decisions. But if AI only receives surface-level information, it may default to dangerous shortcuts. There is also an important limitation. This experiment does not prove that every real-world AI hiring system will be more biased than every human recruiter. The researchers themselves noted that the AI systems received immediate feedback about whether their selections succeeded. Real companies may not learn whether a hiring decision was effective for months or years. That difference matters. Still, the experiment reveals a serious risk. AI isn't just learning our biases. It may also be creating novel biases, new categories that emerge from the system's own logic and experience rather than directly from a programmer's prejudice or historical hiring data. That is a danger we have not fully understood yet. So, what does this mean for you? If you're applying for jobs, don't assume the system is unbiased just because it's smart or high-tech. Look for companies that explain how automated screening is used, whether humans review decisions, and whether candidates can request clarification or appeal an outcome. If you're a business leader, ask what your system is optimizing for. Is it only speed? Is it only predicted performance? Or does it also measure consistency, transparency, accessibility, and fairness across different groups? You also need to test the system before trusting it with people's careers. Compare outcomes across demographic groups. Check whether the system is evaluating relevant qualifications or falling back on superficial signals. And do not wait years for problems to become obvious. A hiring model can make thousands of decisions before anyone realizes that a pattern has formed. With the right security practices and human oversight, AI can improve operations and unlock real efficiencies without compromising human dignity. But accountability cannot be automated away. Agentic AI doesn't replace humans, it amplifies them. If the system amplifies a bad assumption, humans have to be responsible for correcting it. The future of fair hiring will not be determined by how intelligent an AI model sounds. It will be determined by the incentives we give it, the data we provide, the outcomes we measure, and the humans who remain accountable. Fairness isn't about picking the shiniest AI. It's about understanding what your technology is optimizing for and how it can go wrong. Want to dig deeper into how AI could impact your career, your team, or your company? Click to watch the related video in the corner. Don't miss it. And if you found this useful, go ahead and like, subscribe, drop a comment, and share your take on AI and bias. Let's keep this conversation real and honest.